Welcome to Unit 1 in our New Mexico history class. In this unit, we will be introduced to the study of history. So we'll talk about what it is that historians do and how they do it. Also, the other goals for this class are to get to know, for this unit, are to get to know one another on the discussion board via the intros and to get familiar with the various tools that we'll be using for this class over the course of the semester. So one of your assignments after you've read about some of the you've read some of the sources about what history is and how we do history, you will then find a primary source and a secondary source that have something to do with the history of New Mexico, and you will share those via tweet. Remember to use the course hashtag as you do that, and if you have any questions, please let me know. So there are a couple of objectives with that assignment. One is to work on differentiating between primary and secondary sources and to find good quality primary and secondary sources via the internet, which is possible. And also just to get familiar with Twitter, just to make sure we're all there and that we can interact with each other there via the class hashtag. Also, you should look over the class timeline assignment. You are not required to post anything to the timeline for Unit 1 or do anything with it. You just need to make sure that you can access it, that you can log in, and that you can essentially figure it out so that you can hit the ground running when we start Unit 2. So remember, Unit 2 will have a set of readings and supplemental videos that you'll use as the source for the work that you'll be doing. And starting with that unit, you'll post some tweets, you'll work on the timeline, and you'll post a journal entry. Please let me know whenever you have questions. I look forward to meeting all of you here in CNM Learn. Also, one last thing, please do take advantage of the opportunity to add an avatar to your Blackboard account, your CNM Learn account, if you have not yet done that. There's a step in this unit that will show you how to do that. I found that having those avatars really can help us remember who we are and really get to know each other better in this online space. So please let me know if you have any questions as you move along through this unit.